Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we're headed to the Lululemon store to check out the latest iridescent accessories. Now, if you are a Lululemon fan or an iridescent fan, which is becoming more and more trendy over the years, you will have gotten these emails launching this new collection. This iridescent fabric comes in 3 different styles, but first we're going to take a look at the Everywhere belt bag. So this is the 1-liter belt bag and it is $58. And it is essentially your standard belt bag. Now, the one difference that I would like to call out is the material on the front. Now, that iridescent material is going to be a little bit more stiff, and for me, it's kind of a pass. Like, it kind of, on this model, looks a little crunchy. Now, that's not to say that it doesn't look that way on the other pieces, but I am not the biggest fan of how this lays and how it looks. I do like the iridescence. I think it looks pretty silver in most lights, but also kind of pink or blue shifted. So if you are into that, it could be a great option. Now, keep in mind there are 2 other models. So here you have the dual pouch wristlet, which is also $58. So for the same price as the 1-liter belt bag, you could get this dual pouch wristlet. This comes with the 2 pouches as well as that Lululemon lanyard. So you are kind of getting 3 pieces here for $58. Now, I personally have never leaned towards these dual pouch wristlets because I don't really have a purpose for all 3 pieces. I think the lanyard is also pretty big, which I'm not usually leaning towards, right? Like, we have our series looking for the best card holder, and my whole objective is to find the smallest thing because I want it to fit inside, my tiny bags. So keep that in mind that this is not really a small profile item. You can, of course, take off one of the pouches and keep this as a lanyard with 2 pouches, or just use those pouches separately and the lanyard separately. So there is a lot of flexibility with this item if you do choose to go that route. Now, a third option that we've started to look at is the clippable card pouch. Now, this one is $38 and it just comes with that one model, which, is a bigger model. It does have card slots on the inside, and depending on your needs, this one could be the perfect fit for you as well. Keep in mind that this one does not come with a lanyard though. That is all for this unboxing. Let us know what you think in the comments below.